Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我阿斌哥 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And in this edition, let's talk about idioms again. 再来让我们自己这个丰富一下知识好了。那想要请 Leo 再介绍一个谚语。
好，冇问题。
好，
種物唔抵腳下少，囤物爭啲腳下寒。
哇，這個應該是蠻深的哦。
其實是蠻生活化的
啊，真的嗎？你剛剛講的東西，其實在我們生活當中會碰到的東西。
你每天都要做的一件事情
啊！完了，我的客語呢，真的還要再有待進步了。好，請 Leo 來解釋 What was that idiom about？
好，這句話的意思就是說，穿襪子就不知道腳下是暖的。
哎，對。
那等到你把襪子脫掉之後呢，你才知道自己的腳好冷好冰哦。
You know what? That is so true too. 其實有時候回到家，然後不知道是多冰，是等它脫掉的時候才發現，好冷啊，還要再把它穿回去。
對啊，對啊，對啊。尤其在睡覺的時候，如果穿着襪子睡覺，那一晚就可以睡得特別特別的香甜。
Okay, so the idiom is literally talking about how when we have socks on, we don't really think of its existence. We don't know how warm it's protecting us, but when we take it off, we realize it's actually pretty cold out there. 所以这句话的这个引申，对，
其实它就是在讲说啊，这个人要惜福啊，就是当你在有的时候，你可能不在意，可是当你失去它之后呢，某态的时候呢，你就会发现，好可惜哦，我怎么不知道好好的把握它嘞？
对，终于知道袜子的重要了。
是啊，是啊，其实很多东西都很重要。
That is true. Again, this idiom is signifying something else. It's implying that we take things for granted all the time, like a pair of socks. We have it on, we forget about its existence, we forget how warm it's keeping us until we lose it or take it off. 这句谚語怎麼說呢？
作物唔抵腳下少，
作物唔抵腳下少，
囤物爭抵腳下寒，
囤物爭抵腳下寒。Now let's hear the idiom in its full explanation.
It's often easy to take what we have for granted. And to explain this, there's a Hakka saying that uses an analogy about socks. It says that we often don't realize how cold our feet are when we have socks on. It's only when we take the socks off that we realize their importance. The same goes for other things in life. We often don't cherish and appreciate what we have until it's gone.
And let's have Leo repeat that line again.
作物唔抵腳下少，囤物爭抵腳下寒。
There you go. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.